Are you getting ready for the Principles of Learning and Teaching exam? That's exam code 5624. My name is Jamie. I'm an educator and test prep expert for study.com. And in this video, we'll walk you through 4 sample problems from this exam so that you're confident on test day. Ready? Let's jump in. All right, let's start with the first problem. In a bustling high school psychology class, students delve into the complexities of adolescence. The diverse cohort presents a mosaic of learners, with some navigating typical development. In contrast, others cross the landscape of atypical social maturation. The keen-eyed teacher discerns a spectrum of peer interactions, from animated collaborations to moments of introspection. Communication skills echo this diversity, with articulate voices and expressive silences coexisting. Emotional regulation, too, varies as some students easily navigate the roller coaster of adolescence. Others tackle its twists and turns. The classroom becomes a miniature copy of the intricate tapestry of human development. Which of the following instructional strategies would be most effective for addressing students' diverse social development needs in a high school psychology class exploring adolescence? All right, our first answer choice, implementing group activities to enhance your peer interaction. So we're looking for answer choices that will help our students' social development, and implementing group activities, this will give them more interaction with their peers and they'll be able to build on their social skills. So I definitely think that this is a great answer choice. Focusing on individual projects to accommodate diverse communication skills. Now, this is always nice for our students who maybe struggle with social interactions. However, it's not really improving their social interaction. Remember, we're trying to get them to develop socially. So I wouldn't say that this is a good answer choice. Not putting much emphasis on social development differences to maintain a neutral learning environment. Well, this isn't really helping our students develop, so I wouldn't say that that's a good answer choice either. Providing exclusive support to students with atypical social development. Well, even students with typical social development can still benefit from more skills. So I would say that the first answer choice is definitely the best one, implementing group activities to enhance peer interaction. Problem 2, which of the following instructional approaches would be most appropriate to meet a gifted student's needs, especially one who shows advanced problem-solving abilities and a high level of curiosity? Assigning extra homework to challenge their skills. Now, nobody wants extra homework. So when a student's excelling, they're doing great, this isn't really a great idea to get them excited about any work. Having them assist other students in the classroom who are not mastering the standard. Once again, this kind of makes the student feel like they're being put to work, and it's not really all that enjoyable for them, usually. Grouping the student with other gifted students to increase competition. Now, this could be interesting, especially since that they can build off of each other's knowledge, and competition can be fun, but I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and keep looking at the other answer choices, or the last answer choice. Providing opportunities for independent research projects. Now, I think this one is a great answer choice because this student specifically has a high level of curiosity. And so when we give the student the opportunity to independently research a project, this is going to pique their curiosity. It's going to make them excited to learn. So this one is definitely going to be the best answer choice. Okay, problem number 3. An 8th grader decides to take up Spanish because he enjoys learning new languages and believes the class will be fun. Which of the following types of motivation is this an example of? First, we have extrinsic motivation. Now, extrinsic means that it's coming from the outside. There are outside motivations that are encouraging him to do this, like maybe he'll get money or maybe he'll get food. So we're not really seeing any examples of him getting anything out of it from the outside. So that's definitely not our answer choice. Negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement means that the person is losing something. For instance, maybe they're getting their cell phone taken away, or maybe they're getting put in timeout. Something is getting taken from them. For this problem, the 8th grader doesn't seem to be losing anything, so this definitely isn't our answer choice either. Positive reinforcement also means that they're kind of getting something in return for what they're doing. They don't seem to be getting any praise, they don't seem to be getting any food, so this isn't our answer choice either. So that leaves us with the last answer choice, which is intrinsic motivation. Now this means that it's coming from the inside. This person wants to do it. They feel internally rewarded for doing whatever it is that they're doing. They want to do it. So because it says that he enjoys learning new languages and he believes that the class will be fun, we can go ahead and say that this is probably or definitely the correct answer. All right, our fourth and final problem. Recently, a college professor was lecturing during a theories and practice course for undergraduate education students at a local college. The lecture centered around Piaget's research and his viewpoints on schema-based learning. The work of Piaget was specifically cited throughout his entire lecture. He discussed how schema affects all learning by helping the learner synthesize information. Which of the following supports Piaget's theory about schema and how it synthesizes knowledge? Okay, so when we're talking about schema and Piaget, he believed that people are constantly adapting and learning from their environment. So we're looking to see how people are changing over time. All students possess schema, and schema can be modified and changed as new knowledge is gained. That seems to support Piaget's theory, so this is definitely a solid answer choice. When students are older, their schematic knowledge is in a concrete stage and deductive logic is not present. So in this example, we're not really seeing how people can adapt and learn from their surroundings, so that's probably not our answer choice. Piaget's schema theory states that the schematic thinking and knowledge are stagnant and never change. That's the opposite of what he thinks. Piaget's theory claims that schema is only present in young learners as it diminishes over time. No, because Piaget believed that as you are exposed to your environment, you're exposed to new things, you changed, and adults are exposed to many new things all of the time, so that's probably not our answer choice either. So we're definitely going to go with the first one. All students possess schema, and schema can be modified and changed as new knowledge is gained. I hope this was helpful. If you are looking for more ways to study, check out our other videos, and then also make your way over to study.com to check out our Praxis test prep courses. As a study.com member, you'll get full access to hundreds of practice problems just like the ones we walked you through, plus targeted instruction for any topics that you are still struggling with, as well as test strategies to help you maximize your score on test day. Finally, we want to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if today's video was helpful, and then let us know down below in the comments if there are any specific topics that you want us to cover next. Good luck and happy studying!